The graphomate chartrix is our latest development and it's going to be available in early 2025. Let's take a look at the features. On release, we are providing the following basic chart types: bar chart, pin chart, line chart and waterfall chart. All of these can be easily stacked and are available in horizontal and vertical orientation. We are going to introduce a new way of interaction with the chartrix so you can easily adjust it to your needs. We plan to add various new chart types to give you even more flexibility in how to visualize your data. You can now add more visual elements to your chart simply by clicking on the plus icon, which means less menu diving and an easier learning curve. Our context-sensitive interface will assist you with various options to adjust the elements of your chartrix. Even pick multiple elements to adjust them all at once. It is now possible to expand and contract hierarchies within your chart. Our new waterfall will automatically adjust if a measure hierarchy is used. To easily provide even more information without cluttering your dashboard, you can extensively configure our tooltips with drill-down charts of various types. Every label in the graphomate chartrix will be editable and is context-aware. Use wildcards to dynamically generate titles from your data dimensions. Use scripting to dynamically format your chartrix based on certain criteria or even add functionalities. And this is only the beginning.